United Arts Creative Aging Teaching Artists Residency program is a pilot program sponsored by AdventHealth, supported by Senior Resource Alliance, and delivered through Share the Care adult daycare locations, which will bring teaching artist residencies into spaces where folks 55 and over congregate. We brought 4 different disciplines: drumming and percussion, fired clay, we had visual poetry and collage, and we did a bilingual world dance program. Every single program was absolutely incredible. Particularly for folks that have memory care issues, it also serves to firm up some social emotional things that are occurring in these participants' lives. It helps them relieve that feeling of loneliness and isolation. It helps with socialization. It helps with their actual muscle memory. It activates both sides of their brain, creating those new neural pathways.
This is good for fitness, for health, as well as it sends them endorphins so that they feel happy, and everybody's happy when we come, and we have such a wonderful time, and it's heart-touching for us, so heartwarming.
Getting everybody moving, the arms, the legs, the mind, and doing all of that through rhythm.
We did ceramic flower bowls, plates, and paintings over 8 weeks, and talked about color and expressed themselves, and they had a wonderful time.
We're gonna not rest on our laurels. And we are going to continue to seek out ways that we can grow this program and make sure that as many people as possible have access to it.